So in an attempt to diversify my menu, today I'm trying to make Pad Kra Pao, a bold and comforting Thai street food classic. Most of these ingredients are completely new to me and slightly intimidating if I'm honest, but that's part of the fun. Let's see if we can pull this off. First up, jasmine rice. Not exactly my strongest skill. I use a 1 to 1.5 ratio of rice to water and leave it to gently simmer while we focus on the main event. For the Pad Kra Pao sauce, into a jug goes beef stock, oyster sauce, fish sauce, which smelt mental, sugar, light soy sauce, a splash of dark soy sauce, then give that a mix, and already this is smelling deep and savoury. And as always, I'll leave a recipe in the description below for the exact measurements. Now for the punchy dressing, which is served on the side, we're going to combine finely chopped garlic, red chillies, a squeeze of lime, and fish sauce. Simple, but it smells very intense. For the veg, we're using trimmed green beans, more garlic, shallots, more red chillies. Garlic and chillies seem to be the theme here. I also slice some larger, milder chillies for garnishing. And in the background, I start frying an egg in plenty of oil over high heat, aiming for a crispy edge and a soft centre. Now for the main event. Shallots go into the hot oil and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until they're soft and fragrant. The garlic and sliced chillies go in just about a minute or so until aromatic. In goes the minced beef, broken up in the pan. I try keep the heat high to avoid juices building up. Once browned, I pour in the sauce mixture, add the green beans, and cook everything on a high heat for around 5 to 6 minutes, stirring occasionally. Finally, in go the basil leaves. Stir through just long enough so they wilt. I did struggle to find the holy Thai basil, but it's not the end of the world. And at this point the dish smells unreal. Time to plate up. First, a bed of jasmine rice, fresh chilies, a generous spoonful of fragrant beef with green beans, that crispy fried egg on top, a sprinkle of sesame and poppy seeds, the side of dressing, and some kimchi for an extra kick. It might not look too unusual here in the UK, as we used minced beef quite often, but the flavour is something completely different, and honestly I'm so happy with this dish. The beef is deeply savoury in a way I haven't really experienced before. The green beans add freshness and crunch. The fish sauce, which I expected to dominate this dish in an unpleasant way, was actually quite subtle and balanced. The dressing adds heat and brightness, and the kimchi definitely optional, but a bold bonus if you're feeling brave. This one surprised me. I had a lot of fun today stepping out of my comfort zone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.